Madre mía, qué fail. ¡Ojo, vamos! ¡Robe! ¡Robe! ¡Vamos! ¡Vamos, madre mía! ¡Qué sano! ¡Vamos! ¡Roben! ¡Madre mía! ¡Madre mía! ¡Cartaza! ¡Tenía que venir! ¡Tenía que venir!
Who is it?
Oh, I got fucking Vieira! Oh, fuck me, sideways! Mummy! Oh my fucking god, I got a legend! Oh my fucking god! I got a fucking legend! Shit! I just got the legend! What the fuck are you telling me? Oh, come on, mate! Come the fuck on! A legend in a pack! Oh, fucking get on at a level, son! Woo! KFC in the bag. Oh my god! Oh my fucking shit days! No way! Nah. Oh my god. Oh my god, Hazard! Motherfucking Hazard! Motherfucking Hazard! Hazard! Oh my god, oh my god, no way! No way! No way! No, is it... Mate, is this a dream? Is this a fucking...
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! No, I don't believe this. This is karma. This is karma because I packed Ibra in FIFA 14 and the game capture didn't work. And I just pray to God that this has worked now because I've just got Ibra. Him. Oh, bitch, you chicken nugget. Get in.
I was like...
Oh! It's for Messi! Holy shit! Oh my god! Holy shit! It's for Messi! Oh my god! I got him! Holy shit! Oh my god! Dude! My green screen! Oh my god! It's broken! It's broken! In for motherfucking Messi!
Holy shit! No way! You're shitting me! No, is this real? Oh my god, this is true life! No way! Oh my god! ¿No vamos a saltar? ¡No puede ser! ¡Gullit! ¡Vamos! No me lo creo, tío. No me lo creo, tío. Es súper tarde, estoy gritando un montón. En serio, tío.
¡Yo! What the fuck?
Maybe Messi in the back.
That's fucking we were talking. I know. And now we're getting. I know. It's Neymar. I know. It's Neymar. You're a fucker.
Aguero! Yes! And Campbell! Come on! Aguero! Yes! We got Gareth Bale! Oh my days! We got Bale! We just got Gareth Bale! Oh, I'm having flashbacks of my Messi pack. Oh my days! I'm streaming it live too. Oh my days! I'm recording it too. I'm not saying oh my lord this time. Oh my days is like